People, there is only one king in dancehall, and that is Vybz Kartel. Who do not like it, delete yourself.
Yeah.
I am here to crown the cerebral luminary, Adija Azim Palmer.
One Gaza boss.
Una happy now? All hail the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel!
Fully. But we are hustling now on the matter. Turn it up, crew. If you are eyeglass, hold on. Glasses. Then jump the man. Send James all time. See no jail time that I waste time. Mine for my money and my money for my mind. This is how them a pay the dollar sign. Anyway, you see me at mine for my money and my...
All that Vybz Kartel fans then. And you're proud that I'm coming Vybz Kartel now.
Long me, money me your meds, I don't have nothing.
Me say, from your proud Gaza boss coming Gaza. I'm out.